Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most popular project management frameworks used across IT, software development, and even business teams, Agile Methodology. In this video, you'll learn what Agile is, how Scrum works, what a sprint looks like, how teams use backlogs, what happens in daily stand-ups, and how tools like Jira keep everything on track. By the end, you'll understand the entire Agile flow from start to finish in just 10 minutes. Agile is a project management approach based on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous value delivery. Instead of planning everything up front like traditional waterfall projects, Agile focuses on delivering small chunks of work in short time frames, collecting feedback, and improving the product continuously. Think of Agile as a cycle. Plan, build, test, review, improve, repeat. This loop keeps going until the product is complete. Agile helps teams adapt quickly to change, which is why it's so widely used today. One of the most common ways teams use Agile is through a framework called Scrum. Scrum is a simple, lightweight system that divides work into small cycles and organizes teams into clear roles. In Scrum, there are three main roles. 1. Product owner represents the customer, decides what features matter most, manages the product backlog. 2nd, Scrum Master helps the team work smoothly, removes blockers, ensures the team follows Agile practices. 3rd, development team, designers, developers, testers, analysts, the team that actually builds the product. These roles work together to deliver value in short cycles called sprints. Let's talk about that next. A sprint is a short, time-boxed period, usually 2 weeks, where the team focuses on completing a set of tasks. Each sprint has a fixed rhythm. Sprint planning, decide what to build. Daily stand-ups, quick daily meetings, develop and test. Actual work happens. Sprint review, show the work to stakeholders. Retrospective, learn and improve. At the end of every sprint, the team delivers something usable, even if it's small. This consistent delivery makes Scrum predictable and transparent. The product backlog is the heart of Agile. It's the master list of everything the team may build. Features, bugs, enhancements, UI changes, anything. Backlog items are written in simple phrases called user stories, like, as a user, I want to log in so I can access my account. Each user story includes acceptance criteria, priority, and effort estimation. The product owner constantly updates and reorders the backlog so the team always works on the most valuable items first. At the start of each sprint, the team holds sprint planning. Here, the product owner explains the highest priority items, and the team selects which ones they can complete during the sprint. This selection becomes the sprint backlog, the to-do list for that sprint only. Daily stand-ups. Every day, teams meet for a quick daily stand-up, usually 15 minutes. Each team member answers 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? Do I have any blockers? The point isn't to report to a manager, it's to help each other stay aligned and solve problems quickly. At the end of the sprint, the team presents their work in a sprint review. Stakeholders give feedback, and the product owner decides what should be done next. Retrospective. The team then holds a sprint retrospective where they reflect on the process, they discuss what went well, what didn't go well, and what they can improve in the next sprint. Scrum doesn't just build products, it also builds better teams. To keep everything organized, many Agile teams use a tool like Jira. Jira helps teams track work using digital boards that show the progress of each task. A typical Jira workflow looks like this: to do, in progress, in review, done. A Jira story might look like this: story ID, PP102. Title, add forgot password. Story, as a user, I want to reset my password so I can log in again. Status, in progress. Points, 5. Assignee, Sarah. On-screen, tasks move from left to right as the team works on them. To-do column, login UI, dashboard design, dark mode. In progress, backend API, bug fixes. In review, QA testing. Done, password reset feature. Jira makes everything transparent. Everyone knows what's happening, who is doing what, and how much is left. And that's the complete Agile process in under 10 minutes. You learned how Agile works, how Scrum organizes teams, how sprints create a steady rhythm, how backlogs keep the work aligned with customer needs, and how tools like Jira bring everything together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.